Fruit waste. Pigs also enjoy fruit waste, such as mango peels, papaya waste, pineapple peels, watermelon rinds, and orange peels. Fruit waste contains natural sugars that give pigs energy. However, fruit waste should be fed in moderation. Feeding too much fruit can sometimes cause digestive problems in pigs. The best way to use fruit waste is to mix it with other feeds to create a more balanced diet. Many fruit markets throw away damaged fruits every day, and pig farmers can take advantage of this waste to reduce feeding costs. Maize husks and corn cobs. After harvesting maize, farmers often throw away maize husks and corn cobs. These materials can also be used in pig feeding, although they are not very rich in nutrients. Maize husks contain a lot of fiber, which pigs cannot digest easily. To make them more useful, they should be chopped into small pieces and mixed with other feeds. Corn cobs can also be ground into powder and added to pig feed. They help pigs feel full and reduce feed waste. Kitchen waste. Kitchen waste is another common feed used by many pig farmers. Examples include leftover rice, yam peels, bread pieces, cooked vegetables, and soup leftovers. Instead of throwing these foods away, they can be fed to pigs. However, it is very important to cook kitchen waste before feeding it to pigs. Cooking helps kill harmful bacteria and makes the food easier for pigs to digest. You should also avoid feeding pigs rotten or spoiled food because it can make them sick. Brewery waste. If you live near a brewery or an area where local alcohol is produced, you may find brewery waste, also called spent grain. Spent grain is very useful in pig farming because it contains protein, fiber, and energy. Many farmers use brewery waste to help pigs grow faster. However, brewery waste spoils quickly, so it should be fed fresh or dried if you want to store it for a longer time. Important safety tips. While farm waste can be very helpful in pig feeding, farmers must follow some important safety rules. Avoid feeding pigs toxic plants or unknown materials. Always check food waste to remove plastics, stones, or other dangerous objects. Also avoid moldy or spoiled food because mold can produce toxins that are harmful to pigs. Finally, remember that farm waste alone cannot provide all the nutrients pigs need. Always combine farm waste with proper pig feed to ensure your pigs grow healthy and strong. Pig farming can be profitable if you manage your feeding costs well. Using farm waste is a smart way to reduce feed expenses and make better use of the resources around your farm. Some of the best farm wastes for pigs include cassava peels, banana peels, vegetable waste, fruit waste, maize husks, kitchen leftovers, and brewery waste. When these wastes are prepared properly and mixed with balanced feed, they can help pigs grow well while saving you money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another pig farmer who wants to reduce feeding costs. And tell me in the comments, which farm waste do you use to feed your pigs? See you in the next video.